Let's see who stops texting first.
Wait, I started first, so if I stop, then I win.
No, you don't. That's it.
Ah, fuck my life. What?
Why did you send it to her?
To Tasha. What? Whatever. Whatever.
What'd she say?
To Tasha.
Let me see. Let me see. To Tasha. What the fuck?
I do not know.
Just put yeah. I hate how she's like, she gets into like everyone's business when she doesn't like, this is on video. Still, it's not like, okay, we're gonna watch it later and then like, delete it. Delete! Oh yeah, wait, hold on.
Oh.
This is thumbs up now.
Oh. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
My face feels saggy. You're stupid.
I know! Your face is so red.
If I pass out. My head hurts.
If you pass out, I will poke you. And then be like, uh-oh. Watch the video.
How the hell do you get
Do I get a what?
a stuffy nose upside down?
How do you? Wait, does that mean if you're right side up, it cures it? Important question.
My head is hurting. All the blood is rushing to my head. I'm not quitting.
You're fucking bitch.
Get up and go get it. I can stop now. Oh my head.
I will not.
I can't laugh. No. Don't make me laugh. It hurts. No. No. Ow. My head. It feels like you're holding your breath too long.
No. It feels like when I laugh.
Ow. Ow. Oh. Oh.
It feels like if someone's like grabbing my ear.
Oh god. I'm slipping.
I'm slipping.